Hello Sudoku friends, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Saturday, January the 11th, 2020, we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here a 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6, this one. So the 6 goes here. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so in the column in between. The only 2 places for a 6 is here or there, but I see here already a 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for a 6 is here or there, but I see here already a 6, no 6 here, 6 should be here. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for a 3 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for 4 is here. Then 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so in the second column, the only 3 places for a 4 is here, here or there, but I see here already a 4, so no 4 there. I see here a 4, so no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. Then a 4 in the middle row, a 4 in the row below, so in this row, the only 2 places for a 4 is here or there, but I see here already a 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for 4 is here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes. Then yes, this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, and 5. 1, 2, and 5. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here or there. So in one of these 2 boxes is a 2. That means in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2, because we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. That means 1 box remains for the 2, that is this one. So we have a 2 in one of these 2 boxes. The other 2 numbers of this big square, for the numbers 5 and 1, I see here 5, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be also in one of these 2 boxes. So we have a pair, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. 1 box is left for this big square for the number 1. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and then 9 is missing in the second column. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 and 5, so these two are 7 and 9. That means these two are 8 and the 1. 8 and the 1. Remember that? 8 and the 1. A pair. So we have a pair here, we have a pair there, and also a pair there. 8 and 1. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Then, yes, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. And I see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes of this big square. So the 9 could be here or could be there. Now we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers of this big square, the numbers 7 and 9. Now we have a 9 here, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And then yes, this big square, one of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 there, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 9, and this box is reserved for the 9. 2 boxes remain for the first row for the numbers 5 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. 5 and 7 need to wait. So then these 3 boxes of this row for the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 2 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 8, and 7. 2, 8, and 7. That means the other 3 of this big square are reserved for the numbers 1, 5, and 6. 1, 5, and 6. 1, 5, and 6. 1, 5, and 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. A 1 in this row, a 1 in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for 1 is here, here, or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. I see there 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. And I remember these 3 were the numbers 2, 7, and 8. The other 2, 5, and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 there, no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6. Should be here. The other box left for the number 5. Because we have a 5 there, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Then 2 missing numbers of this row for the numbers 3, no, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. 5 and 7. These two for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6. I still cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. These two numbers of the first row, the 7 and the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers of this row for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for 9 is here, here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. I see there 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. Then a 1 in this column, a 1 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here already a 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Two missing numbers of the first row column, the numbers 1 and 8. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes here. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there, but I see here already a 6, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so in the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there, but I see here already a 6, no 6 here. 6 should be here. One missing number in this row, the middle row, for the number 8. Then 2 missing numbers of this row for the number 7 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 7 goes here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 7 and 8. Now we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 8 goes here. Then 1 missing number in the middle column for the number 2. Then 5, 2 missing numbers of this column for the number 5 and the 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 7 and 3. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 7 goes here. Then 3 missing numbers. The numbers are for this column 7, 2, and 5. We have a 2 and a 7 here, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. 1 digit left, and that is the number 5. So here we have a 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7 as a pair. 1 missing number in the last column for the number 8. 2 missing numbers of this column for the numbers 8 and 2. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. two missing numbers of this big square for the number 7 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 should be there. And the 7 goes here. One missing number in this row for the number 7. Two missing numbers of this big square for the number 7 and 2. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 7 goes here. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. Now we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we finish this in 15 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like. Otherwise, download the PDF file so you can solve this by yourself. And rest me to say, have a great weekend and thank you for watching. See you on Monday. Bye bye.